In a startling incident in Bengaluru, a man identified as Purushottam managed to breach security during the Republic Day celebration at parade ground. Seizing the opportunity, he displayed a set of papers in front of the Chief Minister Siddaramaiah. Investigations revealed that Purushottam's son-in-law had participated in the KPSC exam, and amid the purported delay in result announcements, frustration boiled over. Subsequently, Purushottam tore papers and threw them near the media gallery before being promptly detained and subsequently arrested.
And great skill in handling the fire. The man and machine have to be in perfect conditions to enable the man-machine combination to perform stunts. Ladies and gentlemen, we are all hearing the sound of the bike. Please give a round of applause and welcome. Hold your breath. The Army Service Corps Tornadoes, 16 motorcycles being led by Captain G. Bosco Rajasingham Kamaraj.